Mic check 1 2 1 2. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone had a great trading day yesterday. Today we are here to kill it. It's going to be easy money today. Think positive, we end positive. That's how we do it. First things I'm looking at, I posted the key levels. 417.34 is a massive key level. This was the bottom of the channel, okay, that we were in. Every time we touched it, we bounced. We touched it, we bounced. We're under it right now. So I'm going to be watching the retest on the 5-minute time frame to enter a put position, or I'm going to be looking for support for a call. Okay, that's exactly what I'm looking for. And I'm probably going to be selling my 420 my 420 puts. October 20th 420 puts at open. I've rinsed and repeated the same play 3 times. Like, this is the 3rd time. I bought again yesterday and I'm about to sell it again. So I'm going to most likely sell these at open. I'm still holding my October 20th 415 puts. Who said that? D-Money. No. Yeah, D-Money. Yeah. Same shit. 417.50 is a good one too. Good morning, everyone. Let's make some money today. How about that? Let's leave the bullshit behind us and let's just keep making money and do what we do. And by the way, I'm going to stop swearing. I know some of you have kids that listen on and plays it loud. I apologize. I'm stopping. I'm going to try my best, okay? Sometimes I just get too excited, guys. Okay. I kind of want to get calls that open, but if you watch the 30-minute, it looks like we're coming to 200 EMA, 416.40. Let's take a look at the daily. Indecisive. Man, we're going to 415. We're going to 415, man. 415.74. That's our next major key level. That's where we're going. Calling it here first. I'm going to clip this and post it on YouTube because I guarantee I'm right. This is going to, we are coming to today. We're going to break 416 today, in my honest opinion. We may not. It may be tomorrow. Maybe sometime this week. But the way the chart's looking at me right now, we're heading back to our key level. We have a candle of indecision, a previous bearish candle. So that's what I'm feeling. That being said, I still want to get calls at open. But the 30-minute looks like poo. Yeah, Bitcoin is ripping. That's kind of why I wanted calls. But Bitcoin and SPY are like a day apart and lagging. So like if Bitcoin starts dropping and like dumps, SPY will rip, but the next day it'll catch up, vice versa. So tomorrow could be a bullish day in my opinion. We'll see. We don't predict, we react, okay? Okay, market's open. Okay, I'm getting 416 calls ready. I have 416 calls on my screen. I'm not in it yet, so relax. Okay, let's get into a quick snipe, okay? I'm going to get into a quick snipe for calls. Show me something. Show me something. I'm going to buy this key level right here. If we hit there, I may do a starter position. Okay, I'm entering right now. Okay, it's 25% position. I'm in at $1.71. $1.71, 416 calls. Knowing it can come to 416.65, okay? I'm looking for the retest of our support of yesterday that broke at 417.34. That's what I'm playing. So I'm in 416 calls at $1.71 at starter position, and I'm going to be selling at 417.34. We could just start dumping, but I'm pretty sure we'll hit 470. By the way, I'm already up 10 cents. I'm not even selling yet. There you go. Keep going. Pump up. Pump up. Pump up. Don't get greedy. If you hit the play, get the hell out. If you hit the play, get the hell out. We don't want to be holding this. I'm still holding. Okay, I'm selling at my key mark right here. Okay, I'm out. Okay, I got it at $1.29. I'm up $1,000 on the day. 50 contracts. 89. Not $1,000, just under $1,000. That fast, guys. That fast. That's it. I don't even have to trade for the day. I just hit it. That's what it wrote. We bought our key level. 50 contracts, went 18 cents, and we're done. We're done for the day. That's a W right there. One bar. One freaking bar, man. That's all it is. That one play, man. That one play. $3,400 pretty much just made me $1,000. Never mind. It wasn't. It was 6,000, right? Something like that. I don't know. I can't do the math. I didn't go full. I just started off with 50 contracts. But I didn't want to tell you guys I was in 50 contracts because I know some of you would have sized in way too heavy, and this had the opportunity to like just fall off a cliff. So sometimes because if you guys hear I'm going in a half position, I don't want you guys to follow me because I could be wrong. But that was a great play. Who hit that? Where's the W's? 4 people? Man, some of you guys are sleeping, man. That was a fire play. That play was probably 40 cents. Your 25% position size just made you a full position size. That was a nice win. That was 20 cents. That was over 20 cents. It's probably 30 or 40. I got 416 out of the money and then brought it right back in the money. And now I don't care what's going to happen. This is our key level. We are waiting. Why did I enter calls? We bounce off this exact spot 2 days straight, right? 2 days straight. As soon as we touch it, bam. As soon as we touch it, bam. So what's going to happen? We were waiting for the retest of this line, which we just got right now. This is exactly why I sold at 417.34. I bought down here with confidence. You never want to be too confident, but I was pretty confident. I like the play. Usually first bar in the morning I don't like playing, but when you see a key level, a key support broken and we didn't retest it, we're going to go up and retest it. Sold early, the wife distracted me. Story of my life, man. Story of my life. You sleeping, Zen. You could have just made a quick $1,000, dude. Okay, we're about to hit another banger. I'm waiting to see. I really need to see how we react to 417.34. We could also have done puts here, realistically, but we've been selling off all pre-market, so I didn't want to take that risk. I'm looking to get back into calls right now, if I'm being honest. I need to see how we react because we are technically rejecting our bounce spot, so we should be bearish. So let's just wait to see how we play out. Yeah, I'm not buying until I touch a key level. First of all, I want calls right here, but risk to reward's horrible. If it goes down more and actually hits your key level, you're already down 10%. There's no point. I like the 200 on the 32. We've been on fire lately. I was about to do the F word. We've been on fire lately, man. And I told you guys, if you guys hit my Sunday lesson, I told you guys by 9:25 in the morning, you guys should all have your key levels written down, previous close, everything, and have your brokerage open. Right? That's why I was able to hit that so quick. I was fully set up. Fully set up. Neil, did you hit that? Good job. 40% up on the account. Can you please post that in profits, man? I'm so proud of you, Scrooge. That's amazing. Phenomenal work. 41. Something like that. Where'd you get that level from? Gotcha. Remember the 30-minute, the 200 EMA, any line on the 30-minute time frame, it could take 30 minutes to an hour for that play to play out. So you have to be very careful because it always does work, but it could take an hour. Even an hour and a half I've seen sometimes, right? So as long as you're buying at a key level, you have safe contracts. If I do take that trade, the 30-minute, we may just do a little bit of safer contracts to be safe. So we're bearish. We have confirmation of rejection of our previous support of the channel. I still not sold my puts. I'm selling my puts, my swing puts at 417.34 support. I've rinsed and repeated 420 puts October 20th 3 times. This is my third time. This is back to back to back. The same play swinging. So with that, it comes high risk for sure, but I'm not going to sell until I see this level support. We could try calls here again. I'm not liking it because the 200 is very close to us. Oh, news is coming out? Good eye. Remember, the 30-minute EMAs, guys, can move. If this starts going up, it could look like it actually hit it. Like we get a sharp move, it could look like it bounced off of it. So when you're playing the 30-minute time frame, especially on EMAs and MAs, you have to give it like 20 cents of a gap. Sometimes we touch it, sometimes we go way past it, and sometimes we don't even touch it, but it'll look like it later on out the day that it was a touch. So keep that in mind too. I wanted to buy calls there again. I should have 417 support. That would have been a good entry. Getting to it, I don't use ES at all. ES, SPY, and SPX are the exact same chart, guys. They're the exact same thing. There's zero difference on the way those charts trade. If SPX is hitting resistance, guess what? SPY's hitting resistance too. And ES. But it works for a lot of people. I personally just don't want. We don't need to do that personally. If you have a way to that benefits us using it, I'm glad to hear that out, and I'm always down to adding more tools to my tool belt. So that would have been a fire call, guys. A 417 again. It worked twice. Okay, so far we're building a roof. I really want puts. I think we should get puts here. This is previous support. I'm getting puts ready. Just in case I'm not clicking, I'll tell you when. We're holding VWAP. I need to wait for this next 5-minute bar. We are holding 417 support, so fuck the puts. Or sorry, screw the puts. Jeez, I keep swearing. Only the best quality setups, guys. Don't stop reaching, stop FOMOing. Let's get the best quality setups. That's all we have to do is wait. It's all about patience. We will make money. We made $1,000 in freaking 3 minutes with that bar. Well, I did, but everyone still made money. And remember, the more don't start adding contracts, guys, because you see other people having big wins. Perfect what you're doing with small contracts. Perfect it before starting to increase your position size. I'm telling you right now, because the one time you're like, frig, Top G, Zen, all these guys, they're making so much money. Okay, I'm going to go in with 25 contracts. I'm going to go in 50. The one time you do that, it could be a losing play, and you could lose a lot, right? So make sure you scale in. You scale in, and you slowly add contracts. Perfect what you're doing with small contracts first, okay? That's like the one piece of advice I can give you guys. Okay, guys, I have 417 calls ready to go. And you're asking why? Because we have the potential for the next candle to use our key level as support, and we're probably going to get a nice little run here. Okay, so I got 417 calls on my screen. We just want to make sure we're not building a roof, okay? Right now it looks pretty bearish. I think we're coming back up to the 200 EMA. Or the 9 EMA and the 30 minute. That's why I wanted to get calls. Stop reaching. Stop reaching. I'm not in calls, guys. I'll tell you if I do enter. When's this candle end? In 1 minute. If it ends in a shooting star, I'm definitely not getting it. I'm scaling back in contracts, guys, on this play. Okay, ready? I'm getting ready to... Fudge! Oh, that bar happened way too quick. I was just about to click it. I didn't get in. I missed my entry. That happened way too... That was what I expected was going to happen. That sucks. That's horrible. This is why I wanted calls. I wouldn't have... Honestly, I wouldn't have been able to sell that either. No, you don't look for puts right now, Zen. Let's we got to get the chart developed right now because we're above so far. We're at the bottom of the channel, right? So actually, you could snipe puts here. I lied. If this goes to like the 48, we could snipe puts here. 418 puts, 418 puts on your screens. Never mind. Unbelievable. These moves are happening way too quick. Okay, yeah. 418 puts. I'm about to hit 418 puts. Do as you guys do. I want to see a little bit bigger of a move to like the 48. This is going to be a snipe put, guys. Snipe. Okay, I'm doing a starter position. I'm in a starter position at $1.22 for 418 puts. I'm looking it to bring to 417.34 support. Okay, but if I also see another EMA as support, I'm going to cut it quick. I'm in 418 puts at $1.22. $1.22. I'm selling right now. I just got out for 132. That was a quick 250 bucks. 1100 on the day. Over almost 1200 on the day. I already sold. Look at, do you see that one little play? I'm about to hop back into. Don't worry, don't worry, guys. I'm about to hop back in this play. That's how fast 10 cents moves happen, man. So quick. Zen, start using market orders, man. Stop doing that. Stop doing limit stuff. You got to be able to find a brokerage that you can just click and automatically get filled. Should I risk this? I'm about to re-enter. I think the same play is about to happen. My play didn't even happen yet. That's the only reason why. If this can like shoot to the 48, best believe that I'm gonna hit puts again. I'm looking. If we get the 48, hopefully we can get like a nice little rip first. That play was too fast for you guys, eh? That play must have been way too quick for you guys because I see no W's in the chat. The reason why I sniped a 30, if you were looking at pre-market, we kept getting rejection from the 30 all pre-market. So that's why I decided to hit puts. 48 EMA, the green line on my screen, Neil. %, perfect. Good job, bro. Hit that. Okay, guys, I'm looking to enter puts again. 418 puts. I'm going to rinse and repeat the same play. The higher we go. Hopefully we can get the 50. Let this push up. Let it push up. Don't get in early right now. Come on, man. Why did it have to start down? And if you're bullish on SPY, I would have 417 calls ready to go. If you're bullish. I don't want you guys to have a biased trading just because you're listening to me, you have to be able to have your own consensus while you're doing this. So let me. I'm just trying to give it both ways for everyone. Me, I was sniping puts, but if you want to play the long game, this is a bullish candle. For me, I need to see 417.34 support before I enter a call, just so you guys know, because I know we are going to come back down and retest this level for a fact. So, and I don't want to be entering calls up here. This could rip to the previous close first, but I don't have high. That's the reason why I'm not entering, because I know we're going to come back down here. I don't want to get in here and get stopped out and lose money for no reason. You have to stick to a strategy, stick to your plan, and only play that. Okay, 418 puts on my screen. I took a starter position at 98 cents. 98 cents. The reason why I got in here is because we're at 418 and the 50 moving average. Okay, so if we blow through this level, we're gonna be touching up here, and if not, I got the top. So I'm in 418 puts at 98 cents. So we'll wait to see how this goes. I'm looking for 417.50 at the absolute minimum for a retest. We either have the top right now, and then it gets stopped out, and we'll just hit puts at the 200 EMA, or we're gonna get the 417.50 right now. And I didn't expect that many people to get this. This play happened very quickly, so don't worry. As long as you're watching and learning of why I'm taking these plays, I'm trying to explain to you the best way. By the way, I could have already sold this play. I still haven't. Okay, I'm at 98 cents. What's it at now? 110. I'm up 10%. Puts up 10% already. Should I just stop being greedy? Tell me to stop being greedy. Fuck it. I got out. Okay, 112. 98 cents to $1.12. Okay, that was over $300 play right there. Yeah, anyone catch that put? Did anyone catch those 418 puts? Okay, good. Good. Yeah, I think this play played out almost 20 cents, guys, from when I bought in to that. Quick 120. That's what you're about, man. That's all it's about. But, guys, sometimes these plays happen so fast, like that happened, and I don't expect a lot of people to hit that. It's just like, I saw it, I'm like, shit, this could be easy money. So that's why. Because if I would have got stopped out here, guys, our next level is the 200 EMA and previous close. This is where we hit it with size. This is where we hit puts with size in this level. Just 25, Tommy L. Neil, I'll help you when we're done. I'll help you set it up, buddy. Are you using, you have Webull or TradingView? Okay, I'll help you out. So the reason why I took this play, I took this play twice. We broke through our key level, and we broke through all these EMA lines. Once we started to push up, I knew we were either going up 60 cents or we're going to come back down to our key level. That's the reason why I took that play. That's just trying. That's the best way. I love that because you're not over leveraged and you're thinking with a straight mind. Once you have a big position size, you can hold those longer and make a lot more mistakes. So eventually when you start getting your position sizes down or up to like around 15, 25 contracts for starters, That's all you need to do is let ride, right? I'm still going in. Each trade I go into, I'm like, I'm losing 1,500. So if I only have 25 contracts, after 20 cents against me, I'm only down 500, right? So I know I could double, triple down at that level, or I can just cut it if I don't like it. So that's what it. I don't usually get an opportunity to add 100 contracts in lately, if I'm being dead honest. You guys know it's all in the live stream. I'm like 25 to 50, so I haven't even had a chance lately to be able to hit size. And we're still making consistent gains doing just for me leaving 25% in, if I'm being honest. So yeah, me too, Zen. I'm trading the exact same way. And there's a lot of people, guys, a lot of traders that make a lot more money. But what you got to also understand is that what we're doing is consistent money. Okay? There's a difference from making big, massive days and consistent days. Because over 30 days, that is big gains. So you don't have to be buying like freaking 1,000 contracts and all this other stuff that people are doing. You can do this shit off of 25 contracts and make a very good living for yourself. That was a back-to-back play right off the 50. But hopefully this rips up. Best case scenario, guys, if this rips up and hits a 200 EMA and previous close, we're gonna hit puts heavy right here. You entered early for what? Getting to it? Okay. As long as you have the self-discipline to what's it called? To stop yourself out, that's amazing. That's not even an L, right? That's just part of trading. You have to lose in trading. So if you stop yourself out, good for you. Yes, Daz. I did that on Sunday in our master class, but the master class got postponed to this weekend because no one showed up. There was only like my day ones and people that already know what I'm gonna say. So next Sunday is gonna be the bigger lesson. See, this was a play I thought would happen originally, but it's happening now, so that's cool. Let's see, 417.50. I still would like to see 417.50 hit, and it's probably gonna hit right now, anyways. That was a good play. Our put play still worked, guys. Our put play worked double. It worked again, back to back. What? Oh, did 417 hit? 417.50? I don't think it hit unless my Weeble's glitching. If it didn't hit, it's going to hit it now anyways. Oh, yeah. News comes out. Good eye. Yeah, I'm muted. So, I was just sending a text message. I don't see a play yet. I wanted calls at 417.50. I really thought it'd be a bigger bounce in this, but now you guys know what's up. We're gonna be hitting puts. You know the area, 200 EMA. I'm gonna size into this. I have a feeling we'll be able to get a max position size. Uh oh, 10 a.m. Look at the 50 rejection. Inputs at the 200 EMA. Yeah, nothing right now. Nothing. I'm not in nothing. This looks like it's gonna be puts, man. You see on the 30-minute chart, we hit the 13 and we came back up. This candle rejected again from the 13. Should be pretty bearish. $418.64 to previous close level is going to be the best entry for puts. Yeah, I know. I don't even think we're going to go back up anymore. This looks like shit. Like poo, I mean. I like Webull over TradingView just because I started trading with Webull, and then when I went over to TradingView, I didn't know how to use it, and I was going psychotic, and none of my EMAs and MA lines worked for TradingView. They were always off from Webull, so I just stopped. I just stuck to Webull. TradingView is probably much better, but Webull's like dummy proof for charting. It's not the best. It's pretty laggy, but it's good. What's Tesla doing? Holy crap. You're lucky you sold those, eh, Carter? What do you mean no more Jim C? Dallas? What are you talking about? Jim C's probably just on vacation. He's a multi-millionaire. Jeez, I thought you were going to tell me Will booted him. I was like, what the frig happened? Okay, good. Who cares, guys? Yo, screw that shit, man. Let's make money. We'll talk about all that stuff later. We got to make some money right now. I'm thinking puts too, man. But also have a feeling like we're holding the previous close of the 30-minute candle. Okay, just in case, I have 418 puts on my screen, okay? Just in case. I'd rather be in calls, to be honest, but it's too weak. Because we have so much like nice potential up here to hit for calls. We got previous close. We have the day. We have Monday's previous close. Or Friday's previous close. We have all the good stuff. See, there you go. You see how fast those candles switch, guys? Unreal. I didn't even have time to enter those freaking puts. What's up, Sam? Did you need a question? Oh, you posted. Did you post? Oh, no. I didn't. I will. I just got the subscription for our chat. What happened to Mo's channel? I'm not sure, man. You guys gotta talk to Will about that, man. I stay out of drama. I know D-Money. That's what I'm looking at too. But we broke through the VWAP and we just retested and had an instant bounce. I know we can come back down to 417.34. Yeah, I know. So I don't know what to do right now. So when you don't know what to do, just do not play. That's how you save yourself money. What? 417 calls or puts, more gravy? Puts? Of course they're cheaper. But 418 puts are safer. That's just the way I trade. Because if these 417 puts, if you got in 417 puts and a big bar happens and we're in the 418s, you lost like 30-40% on those puts immediately. Like, I want to be in puts till 417.34, but it's just not giving it to us. Yeah, I didn't get calls at 417.50 for the reason because it's not a key level for me. Like, it is, I guess it's like an important level, but I don't want calls right, not after that 5 minute doji gravestone. That looks horrible, man. Last thing I want to do is enter calls off a bar like that. It's almost like destined to lose. I put my money on this going up before down. But maybe it hits 417.34 first. I don't know. All I know is that puts are going to print at previous close in the 200 EMA. That's a fact. So I will wait, guys. Trading's all about patience. Have patience. Let this move happen, and we're gonna catch the overreaction. We're gonna guarantee ourselves money right now, as long as we wait. and we're patient, maybe not guarantee, but we're giving ourselves the best opportunity to make money. 200's at 418.50. Guys, I'm going to be looking for calls at 417.34. I don't know how good it's going to be. We broke through our key support. We're coming back down to retest it. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy calls. I'm gonna get four, probably 17 calls. 417 calls same day. It looks pretty bad right now, so I'm gonna wait. But we should see some more downside to our key level, and we're probably gonna go under it, to be honest. So we'll wait to see. Good job, Norville. Awesome job, buddy. Great, great, great work. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start a position. I'm looking to start a call position. Hopefully we get a nice move right here. I have 417 calls on my screen. This is what we want. This is what we want coming up to the key level. Yeah, I'm gonna do 416 calls actually. 416 calls. I'm not in it. I'm not in it. I'm waiting for this overreaction right now. Let's go. I'm still not in it. 416. We hit our key level. I have a starter position right now. I started a starter position at 157 for 416 calls. I'm looking to sell at 417.34. We are playing this as a key level. That's why we bought in. I could probably sell right now. I'm not. I'm waiting for the bigger move, or I'm going to stop out for a tiny L. So I'm in 416 calls at 57 cents. Okay, I'm out. Easy. 171. Let's go, man. Who else is doing this, man? Let's go. That was a good play. That was a good play. Come on, man. Come on, man. See, you see how I waited? I had a feeling this was going to be a big candle. I was waiting. And then when it was already halfway down, I'm like, dude, this is going to hit 417. We literally bottom ticked the shit out of this, and look, we just rode that. Like, look at that. Look at that bounce. Look at that freaking bounce. That was a fire call. How did I get those calls so cheap? I just clicked market. What do you mean? 157? That's only 20 cents from right here. And that was almost a 50-cent move. Let's go. Look at that. Friggin' bottom tick. I literally bottom ticked SPY. That's a dub. That's a big W. Look at that play. And I know some of you are still holding this right now. Mr. Bottom Ticker. Okay. Did everyone catch that? Another 300. That's 400 so far in the day. That's what I'm talking about, just trying. Amazing. Just secured a 10-day win streak. Awesome. Great job, Norville, man. Great job. Bottom ticked with you. Sold too soon. I did too, but don't worry about that, man. The smaller wins outplay the big win. Yours are one. Okay, yeah, Freddie, you bought in. You bought in where I sold. I got out at 171. But it's okay. It was still a good play, right? I caught, but ended up losing a bit on it. Neil, what did you do to lose money on that trade? You could not lose money on that trade. I'm so confused right now. Where did you buy? Or you just sold too soon? Neil, this is all part of the learning, man. It's all part of the learning curve. Do not worry. It happens. It happens, man. I definitely sold too soon as well. Yeah, Zen, me too. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm done for the day. I'm done trading for the day. We bottom ticked it. That was wicked. Right, Carter? At least I'm trying to be positive. At least I'm trying to change. Okay, hold on, Neil. I bought a call too early. Gotcha. There's a reason why I waited on that one. Because, okay, I'm gonna hit calls again, guys. If we go down first, I'm hitting calls. Okay, I'm getting 417 calls ready to go. Technically, we should bounce from right here. We could hit 417.34 first. Okay, so I'm waiting. Okay, I'm going to do a small starter position right now, just because that was a nice bounce. Tiny, guys, I'm up on the day. I'm going in tiny. I'm in at $1.22 on 417 calls. If we break VWAP, I'm gone. We just broke VWAP. I'm still in it, though. We're probably going to 417.34. Probably should have cut this. But if I'm right, we should bounce right here. I may just hold this down and add 417.34. Okay, I'm in at 122. What are the contracts at right now? 116. They're not even doing that bad. Okay, I just added 15 more contracts at 118. So I have 30 contracts in total right now. Don't add on this, guys. This could probably still come here, and I'll just like triple down if we get it. We should, if I'm right, we should rip up right here. But if I'm wrong, don't worry about it. And if you're not in calls, 417.34 is the best spot for calls. I doubled down too early, guys. I even knew it while I was doing it. It was too early, but whatever. I'm going to hold it. I feel like we should have a big bounce right here. I honestly feel like we should have a big bounce. Just because of this candle. Remember, guys, I only have 30 contracts, and I've already doubled down, right? I did 15 and 15. So it's either we bounce here. If not, I'm going to stop out for a tiny L. I got in 15 contracts at 122 and then 118. And I'm going to be looking to take profit. As soon as if we just break the top of this candle. Because I am starting to see that this could flip extremely bearish. I have seen these candles before be a massive sell-off, like a big fake out. So in that case, what the hell? These contracts are doing so garbage right now. 114. Up first. Oh, Weeble's going freaking. Come on, this has to shoot up. This doesn't shoot up here, I'm getting out. If this doesn't shoot up here, we have to get out. We have to get out. If we start showing weakness, we have to get out. Have stop losses ready to go. We have to shoot up right here. Have to. Like, hopefully we can hit up here. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. This is either going to be a phenomenal trade or absolutely horrible. Make sure you guys take profits very quickly. I'm almost at 10 cents right now. Almost. This can either shoot down heavy right now or shoot up. So keep that in mind while you're in this trade. Everyone should already be in the money. Should be up money right now. Okay, I'm out. What did I clock out at? 130. Okay, so that was a $300 play. I'm done for the day. Now I'm actually done for the day. Those contracts held up decent, right? You see how I added, and I guys, by the way, I added horribly. I thought we were going to hold the VWAP, and then we broke the VWAP. If I would have added under the VWAP, that would have been a bank play. But you look where I added, look where it is right now, and I still made 10 cents, you know what I mean? So this bar, I thought this bar was coming the previous bar, and I was waiting for a more violent of a move. So I don't know. Got 6 cents on 8 contracts. Perfect, man. That's all you need. That's all you need, Scrooge. Let the small wins add up. It's okay just trying. It's okay. It happens, man. It could have went either way. Like I told you, I've seen these big candles like this, and everyone loads up. It tanks and bounces heavy. Everyone loads up on calls, and it makes a lower low. So that could have happened so many times. Yeah, Neil, all of them, they're on the if you go to getting started under the sniper course, my EMAs are all right there. And I use those as sell points, okay? They're not key levels. I didn't play the 416s there because I had a garbage entry. Ocho, I had a bad entry. And I had a bad double down. I doubled down after like 3 cents under. Like it was just, I shouldn't have did that. But I did do it and I made an extra $150, so it was worth it. But it wasn't the bet. I thought we were going to do like a massive bull flag from here and we just rip up. And I thought it was going to be more violent, and we didn't get that. But it was still a winning trade. It was still a W. That trade was still a W. And I got in early. If you guys got in after me, you won. You have a better entry, right? But this is why we take profits. I don't want to wait to see what happens here. I don't want to predict, like, are we going to tank? Are we going to go? I already made my money, so I don't care, right? And now look at that. Contracts are probably down now. I just use EMAs, to be honest. I don't use SMAs. I do use moving averages. I don't know if that. See, on Webull, it's called. They are moving averages. So I don't know if an SMA is a moving average. On TradingView, I'm not sure about TradingView. It's where William I posted it, Neil. So it's what William says. Full Webull chart setup. EMAs 9, 13, 21, 30, 48, 200 and MAs 50, 100, 200 under getting started. William posted that because I posted it first and it didn't save or something. No problem, man. Yeah, Syntax, I'm with you on that. I thought they were. Neil, Syntax is from Ontario, like us, and he uses TradingView. So if you have any questions for TradingView for him, just DM him. I told him you're my buddy, so. It's just gonna cost you $4,000, Neil, for that not for that information. I'm just joking. Or sexual favors. All right, guys. While we watch Spy trade in a channel and a freaking 50-cent channel, most of us have already made our daily goals for the day. Look what it's done. We've been in under $1 channel, or just say $1 channel, and we've already, for the most part, made our daily goals for the day. A lot of people have. And look at the chart, man. Look at the chart. The chart's done nothing, and we've already made money. Still up 623 on the day. That's what I'm talking about, Carter. Amazing work, man. Norville, shut it down for the day. You're doing well. Don't keep over trading. Look at Carter, Norville, man. You used to be red for the first month. You're red for like 3 weeks straight every day when everyone else is green. And now look at you. All it takes is patience, man. All it takes is patience. That's amazing work, buddy. This is how you become a successful trader. You are on the path right now to being a successful trader. You're killing it, bro. You went from red every day. Every day you were red. Or you're only up freaking $9. And now look at you. I love seeing that. It's all about practice, guys, and studying. It has nothing to do with guts. You have to believe in your strategy, guys. It's not trust me, you build guts over time. There's no such thing as guts. You just buy where you're supposed to buy. You're right or you're wrong, right? And then you play the next key level. You're right or you're wrong. And you play the next key level. You're right or you're wrong. And you're eventually going to be right more than you are wrong. Especially if you're taking profits quick and you're taking losses quicker. Good job, Norville. Awesome work, buddy. Guys, who's up on the day right now? Send me some screenshots of the percentages. Post those things in the profits for me. I don't care about how much money you made. Just put the percentages that you're up. We're thriving, man. Our group is thriving, guys. And if you're not thriving in this group, you will. This takes practice, guys. Right? This has taken me over 5 years to be able to do this. And I'm not that guy going in with freaking $500,000 and making fucking 10 grand, right? I'm literally doing contracts that everyone here can afford. Nothing about them is nothing about my trading is a lot of money. Only my swing puts. All my swing puts. I understand not a lot of people can do that. But when it comes down to sniping same days, guys, the most I'm going in is like 10 grand. Everyone here can work and save up 10 grand. Like, it's not complicated. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going in with big size at all. If anything, I'm making more money now being in having this group, because it makes me only play the key levels. When I have 200 people, I have to and live trade and tell them my entry and exit. It's a lot of pressure, so I pick and choose the like good quality plays. Good job, Sonny. Yeah, I like 418 call. I like 418 calls, but if we break under 417.50, you have to cut it. You have to cut calls if we break under 417.50. Look at the 50 moving average. Who has the 50 moving average on their screen on the 5 minute? Who's seeing what I'm seeing? We cannot get above it. It's every time we touch the 50 moving average, it was a free money put every single time. Just clicking at the 50 would have made money. You have to start taking it in and reading these charts, guys. Because you don't need me to tell you guys obvious stuff. You see resistance, right? The 50 period moving average. You're seeing the resistance here. So that means when we break above it, we're shooting up the previous close. No, it's a 50. This light green line on my screen, MS, is the 50 move 50. It's where's see 50 moving average. Yeah, Carter, I know a lot of people using the 15 minute time frame. I never use it. I probably should, eh? I just like they say, you don't fix something that's not broken. So my strategy on the 5 minute works the best for me. Obviously, there's always room for improvement, right? I'm never thinking I know everything or I know more than everyone. I'm always down to keep learning. Then that's how you guys have to be for the rest of your life as a trader. Never think you know everything. But yeah, it has been working. I kind of want calls for this breakout. I have a feeling we're going to push right up to the 200. But we're not at a key level, so we do not enter. If we're not at a key level, we do not enter. If you don't enter at a key level, you're just going to lose money. You could be right and still lose money. So that's why I only buy at the key level, guys. And I only do a starter position. Because if you're buying at a key level, you're either going to get a bounce or a rejection. That's why I choose to only play a key level. Because I'm either right or I'm wrong. If I buy right here, this can touch the VWAP again, stop me out, and then still continue to go up. Your 50 moving average is 419. It's not really on Webull. On what time frame? Are you on the 5? For the bank? So your chart looks different than mine right now? That's weird. I wonder if you have the right 50. Okay. 417 calls. 417 calls to the breakout. This is either going to be an M or a breakout. Be very, very cautious here. Very, 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 very cautious. I'm doing the opposite of what I just finished preaching, only buy the key levels. So I'm going to buy in as soon as we retest the 50. Why? Previous resistance. If we can hold it at support, I'm buying. So I would really love to see this retest, at least of the 48. This could easily be an M. You have to be very careful. Stop losses. But now you guys know I'm entering previous resistance. If it comes down to act support, this is a bullish bar. We're most likely going to have a big bounce. But it could be an M. And if it doesn't retest the 50 or the 48, I'm not entering. Awesome work, More Gravy. Perfect. I'm done after this play. I'm done after this play, Carter. Come on, drop a little, man. I keep saying that, I know. Because that's what you guys are going to realize, man. Once you're up on the day, you're up a couple grand, 2,500. Like, I'll risk 250 on this play. It's okay, I'm still up. You have to be careful like that. It's kind of hard not to think like that. But you have to learn just to take money. Like, that 250 can feed your family for the week, right? So you have to be very careful to not overtrade. As soon as it touches the 50, as soon as it touches this, I'm buying, guys. I'm getting ready to buy. This is either going to be an M. Okay, hold on. I'm not buying now. This is starting to look like an M. I'm not buying. I'm not buying. Okay, good no buy. Fuck, I still want to buy this right now. See, that was the way big. I was looking for just a touch of the 48 and then a skyrocket up. You see how it ended up turning as an M? Okay, I'm going to do a starter position. I don't even know why I'm entering this trade. It looks like an M to me, but I've seen a pattern like this before where it fucking rips. So don't take this trade. No one take this trade. I just want to see if I'd be right. I'm still not in it, by the way. If this breaks the 48 or the 21. Okay, I'm in 417 calls at 19 cents. This looks like crap, but I've seen something like this happen before where it rips up. It's not a good enough play for me to call out to you guys. So the whole point of you guys listening to me is for me not to help you not lose money, not make money. So not losing money, don't take this trade. And I only have 15 contracts, so I've seen a play like this before and it rips up. Like, this bar finishes green. I don't know if it's gonna happen, so it may happen. It's a 50-50 shot, so that's why I got into it. Oh, yeah, for the bank. That's probably why. Turn on your after hours. That makes sense. You don't have after hours on. Turn on extended hours. Bottom right corner where it says EST or EXT. 19. D-Money, you sold your 420s? No, I didn't. I forgot about them, if I'm being honest. It just looks too bearish right now. By the way, I'm not in calls anymore, guys. I took a $75 hit on that. Size in tiny. The play that I wanted didn't work out, so that is what it is. Notice how I'm scaling in less while I'm up on the day to trades, okay? Notice how I'm scaling in less. Don't be hitting the same amount of contracts every play. You're going to end up net neutral or you're going to end up red. If you hit the same amount of contracts every single trade you enter, you're going to end up net neutral or red. I'm telling you now. Don't let a fire play go bad because you enter the same amount of contracts in next play. Tesla's pushing because it's Tesla. That's why you don't bet against Tesla. I learned my lesson. Actually, I've never learned my lesson. I've just seen a lot of people learn lessons. I usually don't trade Tesla because I like Tesla. And I do want Tesla. I do want Tesla to run. I just want to re-enter at $100. I'm here, guys. I'm here. I'm just on my phone. There's no play right now. The best entry for to re-enter is gonna be previous close, buddy. In around 14, 418, 64 to previous close is gonna be the best range. You're crazy. My voice soothing. I feel like I sound annoying. Thanks, Edward. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. I got everyone's back too. See, now this looks like an M, guys. I stopped out the perfect time. Instead of holding hopes, you just get the hell out. Always re-enter. Always another shot to re-enter something. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna do the polls quick. Hit those polls up. Hit those polls up, people. Let me see how you guys are doing. Everyone listening, put your poll in. Put your poll in. No one's gonna believe we're green today. No one's gonna believe it because Spy's done nothing. Holy shit! 4 people red. How the people that are red? What made you guys red? What plays did you guys do to make you guys red? Because our chat's 5 for 5 today, so I'm looking. Thanks, Chuck Lee. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, whoever's red, take this trade. Whoever's red, take this trade. 417 calls. Get 417 calls ready. You can even get 416 calls ready. I'll probably get 416 calls ready. I'm going to be looking to take this back to the VWAP. Okay. I'm in at 166. We bought our key level. I have a starter position. Okay, I'm looking, and I'm going to sell as soon as we hit the VWAP. We're playing our key level. You guys all have those key levels. We came back. We came down, bounced, came back up. We broke through these EMAs, the VWAP, and these lines right here, these EMA lines. So I'm going to be looking to sell if we touch the VWAP. And if we come back down lower than this, we're just going to hit calls at 417. Okay? I have a starter position on these. So if this starts tanking, I'm not risking a lot. I'm not exposed a lot. And if we hit the VWAP, then it was a good tiny play. SPY usually respects the VWAP, guys. In most cases, if it keeps coming down now to this key level, it's just going to be a better play throughout the day. But I'm pretty sure I already went up 10 cents in this contract, and I haven't sold. I'm going to wait for the VWAP. So I got it at 166. This is our key level. We are waiting for a bounce for this to remain bullish. Okay. So if you're red on the day, this trade should make you green. I only have 15 contracts, so if I can make 150 bucks, fuck, I'm happy. Come on, man. I'm already at 10 cents. You guys probably have better entries than me. I went up already 10 cents on that trade. The price target did not hit, but I don't know if Weeble's glitching or whatnot. But we should probably still continue going. This is support. Our key level. What's it called? $417.34. Still support. Okay? If this candle closes underneath, then that's bearish. But as long as we hold this as support, we broke through all these EMA lines and the VWAP. We did not retest. We're probably going to retest. And so far it's an L for me because I didn't sell at 10 cents. I was being greedy. So I may just add because I still like this play. But if you can only get a starter positioning, guys, you got to let your starter position ride. Right now, I'm not adding above my key level. I'm only going to add underneath because I bought underneath, and I still plan on selling at the exact same spot. I already went up 10 cents. I did not sell. That's an L on me, but that still was a decent play. I was just about to add and I didn't add. What are these contracts at? Okay, contracts up 10 cents again. But the bid and the ask are off on the 416 calls. I hope you guys that are red are in this because this is a freaking play just to get you green. That's the only reason why I entered this play, to get you guys green, okay? Look at price target hit, man. Come on. Let's go. Okay, I just clicked 177. Okay, it made 10 cents on that trade, 150 bucks. Like that. Like that. That was 15 contracts, guys. We bought the key level. Anyone that's red, did you hit that? Like, tell me someone went green. Red to green off this play. It's our key level, man. 417.34. We broke through VWAP. We didn't retest any of the EMAs. That's why I was confident to buy there. Okay. I only had 15 contracts. Obviously, in hindsight, I should have put in a lot more. But the play worked, right? From here, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm not holding. Okay. I sold where I told you guys I was gonna sell, and that was at the VWAP. I sold where I told you I was going to sell, and this is why I always sell early, guys. We play same-day contracts, and even if it hits a spot and comes back, I don't want to go green to red or green to neutral. I don't want to be up a couple $100 and then be down a couple $100. If I see the couple hundred, I'm gone. I'm out. I don't care what happens, because I know I can consistently do this throughout the day. Not even the day, just the morning itself. Good job, Rufus. Awesome job. Don't thank me. You're the one that took the trade. You guys took the trade. I'm just trying to show you guys. I'm explaining as I go so you guys can do this yourself. You see the key levels, how much they respect it? Look at that. We just bottom ticked that. I'm going to stop trading. I did stop trading. I didn't realize there's people red. So I just called out a play to get people not red. Let's go with that. Okay, did anyone go from red to green on that play? Because that was a fire play. Jeez. And I know you guys hold longer than me too, so you guys are banking. I know for a fact some of you guys are banking. Look at that. We bought the support. We thought it was going to be support because it's been acting as support. So what happens when we came back down to that level? We're buying as it's support because it's been proven to be support for the day. And it's at a key level. I have no patience to hold either, Tommy. Getting into it. Okay, AMC, BK. Did you guys hit that play? More gravy, 11%. This guy's killing it. If something is a known support throughout the day and a known resistance, when you come back to that level, you have to play it as a support and as a resistance. Don't expect for the break. Don't predict what's going to happen. Play what's been happening, right? And that's what we just did on that play right there. Good job, OKMC. Good job. Good job, John. Six string. The I can almost guarantee that you are sizing in too heavy to start off with. I think that's what your issue is. You're sizing in too strong. Tarek, it happens, buddy. It happens. Guys, I've taken one losing trade today. Just one trade. That's it. And I still would have been right if I held it. Like I still would I'd be up if I held it. So out of 7 trades today, I think we're at 7 trades. One loser. And that was I for me I lost $75 plus commissions, of course, but say $100 I lost on that trade. Right? Lost like 6 cents. You see how fast I'm cutting losers, and when I'm up on the day, how much less I'm sizing into a trade? There's a reasoning behind the madness, guys. If you just sat and followed me today, you guys would be 7 for 6. So it's okay to do your own trades, and it's okay not to follow people, but you have to understand that if you're not buying at a key level, you're going to lose money. In this ground right here, you're going to lose money. How do I know? Because I lost money buying a call here. I bought a call here and stopped out like right here, and then look at that trade. But then if I would have held it, I would have made money on it. But I'd rather just stop out. I think I'm at 7 trades. No, don't follow me, but just learn from what I'm doing. Learn when you see me sell. Like, you guys should be selling. You guys shouldn't even have to hear when I'm saying, "Okay, guys, I'm out," because you know where I'm going. I'm selling at the first EMA line, right? I'm selling at the VWAP, the EMA, the MA, or the key level. The first one closest to me at all times. Okay, I bought calls here. I sold the VWAP. Where else did I buy puts? We bought puts here. Where did I sell? Like, I don't even know where I sold. But that's what I'm doing. And I'm sizing in. The more money I'm up on the day, guys, I'm sizing in less. I'm not going 25 contracts to start off with. I just did 15, 2 in a row, with 15 contracts. The reason why I'm doing 15 and not 10 is because I don't care about $100. I'd rather make 150 to 200 or to 150 to 200 off that tiny position, right? It all depends on what your account is. I size in less. You know when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out. You should be learning. You shouldn't be following me blindly. I'm trying to explain each trade of the reason why I'm taking the trade. Sometimes I don't have time to, but I will after I'm in the trade. But if you're up on the day, just trying to get rich, stop trading, man. I know you're trying to trade right now. You're up 4 bills on the day. Stop while you're ahead. All you guys need to stop while you're ahead right now. We're still trading in a tiny channel. It's not worth it. Dude, you're up 400 on the day. Walk away. Walk away. Yeah, zombie hour's about to start. I'm about to go get a workout in, to be honest. Okay, guys, I'm about to save you guys a shit ton of money right now. I'm going to end the stream. Today is a shitty trading day, and we made bank, right? If you're red, study your losing trades. Stop gambling. Stop trying to predict what's going to happen, guys. The only time I want to see you enter a trade if you're buying at a key level, at a key level, at a key level, or at a key level. That's the only time I want to see you guys buying today. Don't be stupid. Take your green. Take your loss if you're down. Right now, it's no point. We're not at a key level right now. You're just gonna make your loss worse. So you're gonna get rid of take away your profit. So, thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for being here every day and showing up. I appreciate it. You guys are all helping me be a better trader as well. I hope I'm offering you guys and benefiting you guys. So if you have any questions, hit me up, DM me. I'm slow at my DMs because I have so many. I will get to them. I apologize. But thank you guys for everything. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to start tomorrow green, right? I've been compounding all week. I'm starting green tomorrow, and I hope you guys can too. Everyone take care.